Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Bean Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best Chole or Indian chickpea curry. It's a favorite throughout the country, especially North India, and it's commonly eaten with flatbreads like satura and puri or rice. Let's get it. So we're going to start off by washing our chickpeas and soaking it in water for about 6 to 10 hours or even overnight. The next morning, the chickpeas will have absorbed some of that water. So I'm just going to rinse it and start boiling it with some fresh water. To this, I'm going to add in some baking soda, which will help the tough bean absorb more water and make it soft. And lastly, some tea tied in cheesecloth. The tea, while admittedly strange, will do two things. One, it will give the chickpeas its deep brown color without any of that tea taste. And two, the acidity of the tea will react with the baking soda to neutralize the bitterness. And I'm just going to let this boil until the beans become soft enough to mash between your fingers. Meanwhile, for our curry, we're going to start off by roughly chopping up some onions, slitting up some green chilies, mashing up some garlic, some ginger, and finally, some tomatoes. And if you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make this delicious chole at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes. To bring this all together in a hot pan here, I'm going to start with some oil. And as that heats up, I'm going to drop in some curry leaves, some cumin seeds, and you want it to dance just like that. Our onions. And just give that a good stir. Ginger, garlic, green chilies, and just saute it until the onions start to turn translucent. Then the good stuff, our spices, some cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, some mace, a bit of fennel, a bayleaf, some turmeric, a little bit of cumin, some coriander, red chili powder, some garam masala, a little bit of amchur, some salt, and pepper. And just saute this a little bit. And when the onions are well cooked, I'm going to add in some tomatoes and some water and let it simmer until the tomatoes cook down. Meanwhile, our chickpeas are cooked through. It's important that we save this bean water. Now I'm just going to add some chickpeas into the curry and puree it with some bean water into a paste. The chickpeas will help thicken up the curry a bit. Back into the pan the curry goes. To this, I'm going to add in our chickpeas. Give this a quick stir and let it cook down. Once it cooks through and cools down, it'll thicken up and darken. To which, now we can garnish with some kasuri methi, a handful of chopped cilantro. And there you have it, folks, Indian chickpea curry or chole.